Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching.
Yeah, I got this wire harness pieces. Hopefully that'll be enough to get my daughter some power to that passenger seat. I'm here with Little Red. I'm going to put some power to the passenger seat. Check the power on this seat situation. I think I'm going to slave the passenger seat off the driver's. Shouldn't have any issues as long as they're not run together. For some reason, that car just did not have the wiring under the passenger seat. I thought it was pre-wired, but it's not. With no power on the car, this driver's seat works. The passenger seat usually doesn't. So I'm going to go ahead and just daisy off of this connector here, because this is the one that runs the power. I got 12 volts live all the time here, and I guess when I activate the different motors, I get power through there. Let me check that real quick with my voltmeter set to DC. Connector in down there. Run the wire under the center console there, through the access hole up to here. I'm going to tap the power line on with my little connector here, whatever these things are called, and see if the seat operates without those other two wires, and I'm going to ground it. So let's see what happens. I hooked all 3 wires up and I grounded the black one there, and it works when I turn the key on. But when the key's off, it doesn't work. Only the driver's seat does.
If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.